Well, Aeroflex has always been an innovator in signal generators, going right back to our days as Marconi Instruments.
It would be wonderful if we have a touch screen. You know, my mobile phone has touch screen, so why not our signal generators?
I think a lot of our engineers today are very used to using touchscreen devices, and one of the big advantages of using a touchscreen on an instrument like this is that you don't have deep layers of menu.
With the new signal generator, it's a lot easier because it has a GUI which is very similar to a traditional PC. It's just that it's more intuitive. It's easier to find your way through the menus and find out exactly what you want.
On our new S-Series generator, we have taken technology on to the next step with low phase noise, very fast switching speed and touchscreen LCD displays.
At the moment, the signal generators I use are quite bulky. I'm not very good at weightlifting, so I always have to have my colleague to help me carry the equipment around. So if we have a really lightweight instrument, it really helps.
The SGA is a different form factor from most of the other signal generators on the market. It is very compact and lightweight. The weight is less than 8 kilograms, or that's just under 18 pounds.
The older generator is a little bit heavier. There's a lot more buttons on there, and there's many functions and features on the older ones which we don't really use.
The major issue for me is that there are so many keys on the panels, and it takes you a while to navigate through to the right menu you want.
The screen is very intuitive to use. It has no buried menus, so everything is very simple, straightforward to pick up, and as so many of our people are now familiar with touchscreens, it really is totally intuitive to use. One of the great features of the S-Series is that it is a very modular approach to signal generation. Our units can be joined together to form one unit, and as the family of S-Series components evolve, there will be parts to make up complete test systems, so that our customers can configure the system for their particular application at very little expense. The main attraction of the S-Series is its value for money. It is providing performance which can normally only be achieved on instruments costing up to 50% more.
This analog signal generator has outstanding phase noise of minus 135 dBc per hertz at a 1 GHz carrier frequency, 20 kHz offset. Combined with this low phase noise performance is a class-leading frequency switching speed of as low as 100 microseconds.
Aeroflex has always been the leader in innovation in signal generation technology, and today we have moved to the next step, combining the latest technologies to provide a product which will bring on a new generation of signal generators. You can find out more about the value of the S-Series on our website.